I didn't knead this bread. I didn't even turn on my oven. And it still came out looking like this. No fancy equipment, no bakery skills, just one bowl and 5 minutes of actual effort. I'm not a professional baker. I just really love bread and really hate doing dishes. So I figured out how to make this with barely any cleanup. By the end of this video, you'll have a golden garlic crusted loaf using stuff you probably already have. No oven, no kneading, no stress. Here's everything you need: flour, instant yeast, salt, warm water, olive oil, garlic, and a little parsley. Just regular all-purpose flour, nothing special, nothing imported. Instant yeast means no proofing, no waiting around wondering if it's alive. And this garlic and parsley bow is doing all the heavy lifting on flavor later. Mix your dry stuff first. Flour, yeast, salt, all in one bowl. Then warm water goes in. Not hot, just warm enough to wake the yeast up. It's gonna look messy and kind of ugly right now. That's exactly what we want. No kneading, just a couple of lazy folds and we're done. And we're done. Cover it, put it somewhere warm, and now comes the hardest part of this whole recipe. Doing absolutely nothing for about an hour. Go watch a show, take a nap, whatever. This dough's got it handled. Look at that. It actually doubled. Told you it would work. Shape it into a rough ball. Doesn't need to be perfect. It's rustic bread, not a wedding cake. A couple of quick slashes on top so it doesn't crack weird while it cooks. While the dough rests one more time, we make the star of the show, garlic butter. Just until it's fragrant. Burnt garlic ruins everything, so keep the heat low. Let's get this dough ready. We will cover it up. One more short rest for the dough while that butter cools down a bit. This is the trick. A heavy pot with a lid basically becomes your oven. Dough goes in, lid goes on, and now the stovetop does all the baking for us. Low heat, covered, about 25 to 30 minutes. No peeking, trust it. Flip it halfway so both sides get that crust. Another 10 minutes or so, and we're basically done. And there it is. Look at that crust. I still can't believe this came off my stovetop. Now we drown it in that garlic butter we made earlier. Don't hold back. A little parsley on top just to feel fancy for 2 seconds. Fancy for 2 seconds. Listen to that crackle. That's the sound of zero effort and maximum flavor. That's the one. Bakery level bread, and I didn't even break a sweat. So that's it. One bowl, no kneading, no oven, and bread that looks like it came from a bakery. If you're as lazy as me, comment bread, share this with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more zero-effort recipes.